Today guys, I show you how to organize Google Drive for school projects. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first I want to show you how to add a new folder. Just log in on Google Drive like me, move here to new and you will see here new folder. Open it, just choose name for folder and go here create. After that, I show you how to customize, change color, just go right click and you will see here organize. You can move it, add shortcut, move here to color and customize your color, choose color what you need for this. I choose here red one and you will see like this. You can also here share folder with your friends and copy link. You can also rename it and customize with cool emojis and customize for yourself. You can do all for this all folders. After customizing subjects like me, just open one and you can here drop files, it's easy to use. Also you can copy and paste. I show you example, just use photo and move it here. It's now in chemistry. Just open it and you will see the new photo. Press right click in empty space and you will see you can add new folder. Upload files or use Google Docs. You can do anything what you need. I show you my example now. After do that like me, you will see this. Also you can organize, go right click, choose color or you can rename it. Also you can here move to bin. If you make any mistake, I just organize this and it look like this. Also you can bookmark your important folders. Just find this like me and you will see here add to bookmarks and go here view bookmarks and I also have it here. When I open it, and that's it all guys for this video, how to organize Google Drive for your school. If you have any questions, write me in comments and I see you in the next video.